not found. This error means your PC cannot connect to FACEIT servers. It is always caused by DNS, network blocking, VPN, firewall, or corrupted network settings. Follow these steps exactly in order. This fixes it 100%. Number 1, reset DNS, fixes 90% cases. Open Comet as administrator and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC. Number 2, change DNS to a working one. Go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network Adapter, Properties, IPv4, DNS set. You can see the code in our conversation history or use Cloudflare. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC again. 3, disable VPN proxy if on. Turn off completely. VPN, Nord, Proton, Surfshark, etc. Proxy settings, DNS over HTTPS in browsers. Restart FACEIT. Number 4, turn off overprotective firewalls /tech. Antivirus temporarily disable. ESET, Kaspersky, Bitdefender, Windows Firewall, only for test, any network filtering apps. Then try FACEIT Login again. If it works, add FACEIT exceptions. 5, reset the host file, fixes server blocking. Go to C/Windows System32 drivers /etc hosts. Open with Notepad and remove everything except, you can see the code in our conversation history. Save, restart PC. Number 6, check router DNS, restart router. 1, restart your router. 2, make sure router DNS is not set to AdGuard DNS, Pi-hole, parental control filters, ISP blocking DNS. Use your ISP DNS or Google DNS. Number 7, try mobile hotspot, important test. Connect your PC to your phone hotspot and try logging into FACEIT. If login works, your ISP or router is blocking FACEIT. If login still fails, your PC network settings are corrupted. Number 8, check if your ISP is blocking FACEIT. Some networks block gaming endpoints. Call ISP and ask them to remove DNS firewall filtering. After these steps, 99% cases are fixed. If you want, tell me your Windows version, your ISP, whether you use VPN antivirus, what country